Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video can completely change the way you look at dollar coins forever. In your pocket, in an old drawer, or hidden in a coin jar, there may be a golden dollar worth far more than you ever imagined. In this video, we are revealing two Sacagawea $1 coins, the 2001D and the 2002D, that many people spend without thinking, but collectors quietly search for every single day. Stay with me till the end, because if you own one of these coins, you might be holding something that can change your future overnight. The coin number one. The 2001 D Sacagawea $1 coin is not just a piece of metal you casually find in pocket change. It is a silent witness of American history wrapped in golden color, carrying a story that most people completely ignore. When this coin was released, millions saw it as ordinary, but time has a strange way of revealing hidden power. Today, certain examples of this coin are whispered about in collector circles with disbelief, because what once passed through vending machines and cash registers has now become a symbol of unimaginable wealth. This coin doesn't shout its value. It hides it, waiting for the right hands to recognize its destiny. What makes the 2001 D Sacagawea dollar so fascinating is not just its date or mint mark, but the era it represents. It was born at a turning point, when America tried to redefine its everyday money with meaning and respect for heritage. The face of Sacagawea, calm and strong, reflects guidance, survival, and discovery. Many believe that coins like this carry an unseen energy, and when conditions strike and uniqueness align perfectly, their value transforms beyond logic. In pristine condition, untouched by circulation, this coin becomes something far greater than a dollar. It becomes a doorway to fortune. Collectors know that value is never just about age. It is about survival. The 2001 D Sacagawea dollar faced heavy circulation, misuse, and neglect, which makes flawless survivors extremely rare. Coins that escape scratches, dulling, or damage are like time capsules frozen in perfection. When a coin reaches this level, its price is no longer controlled by face value or even common market logic. It enters a world where collectors compete emotionally, where demand creates explosive prices, and where one single coin can shock the entire hobby. There are stories, quiet, almost unbelievable, of modern coins selling for sums that change lives overnight. The reason is simple. Rarity is often accidental. When production errors, unusual finishes, or extraordinary strikes appear, they create one-of-a-kind treasures. A 2001 D Sacagawea dollar with exceptional characteristics is not just rare, it becomes legendary. In such cases, the market doesn't ask how much it should be worth. It asks how badly someone wants to own it, and that desire can push values into the millions. Imagine holding a coin that looks ordinary to the untrained eye, yet carries potential to rewrite your future. This is why experts always warn: never rush to sell, never underestimate, and never clean or damage such a coin. The smallest mistake can erase unimaginable value. Coins like this are not meant to be spent. They are meant to be protected, studied, and respected. History shows that fortunes are often hidden in the most unexpected places, and this golden dollar is proof of that truth. The power of the Sacagawea dollar also lies in its symbolism. Sacagawea herself represents guidance through unknown territory, and it feels almost poetic that her coin guides modern collectors toward hidden wealth. Some coins are loud and famous, but others work in silence, growing stronger as time passes. The 2001 D issue belongs to that silent category, quietly gaining attention as collectors realize how few truly exceptional examples still exist. In today's market, emotions drive prices as much as rarity. When a coin tells a story, when it connects history, beauty, and scarcity, it becomes irresistible. A top-condition 2001 D Sacagawea dollar is no longer judged as spare change. It is judged as art, as history, and as an investment. This is how a simple dollar can rise into the realm of million-dollar conversations, not because of hype, but because of perfection meeting passion. Many people unknowingly spend coins that could have changed their destiny. That is the real tragedy of modern treasures. A coin like this demands patience, knowledge, and vision. Those who recognize its worth early often become the winners later. Wealth does not always come from working harder. Sometimes it comes from seeing what others overlook. This coin reminds us that opportunity often hides in plain sight, disguised as something small and ordinary. So if you ever come across a 2001 Sacagawea $1 coin, pause before you dismiss it. Look closely, respect its condition, and understand that not all treasure glitters loudly. Some treasure waits quietly, testing who is wise enough to listen. In the right condition, this coin does not just hold value. It holds the power to change a life, rewrite a future, and turn a single dollar into a story of unimaginable wealth. The coin number 2. The 2002 Sacagawea $1 coin is one of those rare modern pieces that quietly carries a destiny far greater than its humble appearance. To most people, it looks like an ordinary golden dollar, something passed from hand to hand without a second thought. But history has a strange habit of hiding its greatest secrets in plain sight. This coin was born in an era when few believed modern money could ever become legendary, and that disbelief is exactly what allowed certain examples of this coin to slip through time untouched, waiting patiently to reveal their true power. What makes the 2002 Sacagawea dollar so captivating is not noise or fame, but silence. While collectors chased older silver coins, this coin lived unnoticed, enduring circulation, scratches, and neglect. Because of that, truly flawless survivors are astonishingly rare. Coins escaped wear, damage, and dullness became accidental treasures. In the world of rare coins, survival against odds is often more valuable than age itself. And this coin stands as a perfect example of that hidden truth. The image of Sacagawea on the coin is more than decoration. It represents guidance through uncertainty and courage in unexplored territory. That symbolism feels almost prophetic today. Many collectors believe coins like this reflect the journey of the people who find them. When a 2002 Sacagawea dollar appears in exceptional condition, it feels less like luck and more like destiny. The market does not see such a coin as spare change. It sees it as a survivor, a rarity shaped by time rather than intention. In rare instances, modern coins reach values that shock the world, not because they were meant to, but because perfection is scarce. A 2002 Sacagawea dollar with extraordinary quality, untouched surfaces, sharp details, and unique character enters a different universe of value. At that level, price is no longer guided by face value or logic. It becomes emotional. It becomes competitive. It becomes a battle between collectors who understand that opportunities like this may never return. There are moments in the coin world when a single discovery changes everything. A person checks an old drawer, a forgotten roll, or a saved coin and suddenly realizes they are holding something extraordinary. That is how fortunes begin, not with noise but with recognition. Coins like this have the power to transform ordinary lives because they reward patience and awareness. The difference between spending it and preserving it can be the difference between regret and generational wealth. One of the greatest mistakes people make is underestimating modern coins. They assume value only lives in the distant past. But history is constantly being written, and today's overlooked coins are tomorrow's legends. The 2002 Sacagawea dollar stands at that edge, where scarcity condition and story meet. When collectors finally recognize how few truly perfect examples exist, the demand becomes intense, and prices rise in ways that feel almost unreal. This is why experts always warn against quick sales and careless handling. Cleaning, polishing, or rushing to sell can destroy value forever. Coins like this demand respect. They demand time. They demand knowledge. When handled correctly, they don't just sit in collections. They grow in power. They become symbols of foresight, proof that seeing what others ignore can lead to unimaginable rewards. In today's market, storytelling drives value as much as rarity. A coin that connects modern history, cultural meaning, and survival becomes irresistible. The 2002 Sacagawea dollar does exactly that. It represents a moment in American coinage that was misunderstood, overlooked, and underestimated. That combination is dangerous, in the best way, because it creates the perfect conditions for explosive value. So if you ever come across a 2002 Sacagawea $1 coin, do not rush. Do not dismiss it. Look at it closely, protect its condition, and understand what time can do to overlooked treasures. Some coins are not meant to be spent. They are meant to be discovered. In the right condition, this single dollar carries the power to rewrite a future, turning an ordinary moment into a story of unimaginable wealth.